Woke up to a white world, windows sealed in glass, street signs hiding, cars just sleeping. 3 feet on the front steps, door won't even pass. Whole town quiet, power lines creeping, sidewalks turn to soft walls, buried to the knees. Corner store is just a memory. Neighbors digging slow-mo, breathe a little steam. Feels like time forgot this city. 3 days buried in New Bedford. Can't find the curb, can't see the light. Every road just faced a river, but I'm stuck here warm with you tonight. While the clouds keep pushing that ocean of white, we're still snowed in, baby, holding on tight. Yeah. Your coffee on the counter, candles on the sill, phone keeps buzzing, no one going. Stay home till you're cleared, that message on repeat. But here with you, I don't mind not knowing. TV on the local, maps all painted blue, clothes just scrolling like the credits. City at a standstill, but I'm moving toward you. Only storm I feel is in your...
3 days snowed in on this dead-end road. Truck stuck halfway in the drive, too cold. Kids sledding in the ruts where the car should roll. Neighbor out there shoveling like he's digging for gold. Got Cheryl on the corner with a garden spade. Old man Bill just snapped his only snowblade. We're doing your job and I busted up boots, feeling that steam and I'm ready to blow the roof. Where are the plows? We've been waiting, we've been paying. Where you at right now? Yeah. Side streets buried, but the bill's on time. You cash our check, then you leave us behind. Where are the plows? We're stuck, we're pissed, we're shouting out loud. If our money's good when your hand's held out, then fire 'em up and dig us out. Got big city talk on the evening news. Main drag clean, that's your front page view. Out here we're spinning just to grab some bread, watching private rigs clear what you said you'd trade. We got moms pushing strollers through a snowbank maze, ticket trying to turn into 2 damn days. You say, sit tight from a warm leather seat while we're playing snowplow with a busted old Jeep. Come on! Where are the plows? We've been waiting, we've been paying. Where you at right now? Side streets buried, but the bill's on time. You cash our check, then you leave us behind. Where are the plows? We're stuck, we're bruised, we're shouting out loud. If our money's good when your hand's held out, then fire 'em up and dig us out. We don't want your promise, we want some salt and steel. You wanna feel our anger? Come drive where we live. For
lines of smoke in the still gray air. Streetlights blink and then give up as the sky turns rose out there. Slow glide over chimneys, tiny tracks in a buried yard. Frozen river like a mirror, holding on to every shard. Sunset falling over New Bedford, colors spilling on the snow. Harbor breathing out in silence, all the boats in a silver glow. We're just drifting over houses, watching day let go its hold. Sunset falling over New Bedford, painting fire on the coal. Storm has left its quiet, cars asleep in a softened road. Shovels leaning by the fences, where the kids tomorrow will go. Out beyond the breakwall, rust and ice on the weathered piers, gulls hang in the amber air like forgotten floating years. Sunset falling over New Bedford, colors spilling on the snow. Harbor breathing out in silence, all the boats in a silver glow. We're just drifting over houses, watching day let go its hold. Sunset falling over New Bedford, painting fire on the coal.